Hello everyone! For today's do-it-yourself project, you'll need an old unnecessary pot. You need to glue some foam to the bottom of the pot, which I cut out off camera. You also need to glue foam along the edges of the pot. Off camera, I cut strips of foam and glued them around in a circle. This is what you should have. I also used a hatch from a broken washing machine for this project. Unscrew all the bolts and take out the glass. On one part, drill 2 holes opposite each other, then a few more on the sides. Holes on the sides. They are needed so that air can get under the glass into the holes we drilled opposite each other. Insert the 6mm bolts and tighten the nuts. Next, you'll need a piece of fiberglass and a spring. Put everything onto the bolt and tighten the nut. This is a latch, which will be used to press the lid against the pot. Now insert the glass, but not the way it was before. Put it in the other way around. Close the other part of the housing and then tighten the screws. Now this lid is placed on the pot and pressed down using 2 clamps. Well, the homemade device is finished. Now watch to see what this device is for. We put cups with soil inside the pot, in which I have sown cucumber seeds. As you can see, this turned out to be a mini greenhouse for growing seedlings. This year's unusually cold summer makes it impossible to grow cucumbers as usual. Close the lid and place the greenhouse wherever is convenient, like on the balcony. I set it up in my garden. Thanks to the foam plastic, the pot won't let the cold in and the sun will warm everything through the glass. And after some time, the cucumbers sprouted. Now these seedlings can be planted in the garden. If you enjoyed this do-it-yourself project, please like the video and share it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.